We continue now with our coronavirus coverage, and right now people across the country are able to sign up to receive free COVID tests from the federal government. Also today, the Biden administration is announcing a plan to distribute high-quality masks for free. KCRA 3's Aixa Diaz joins us live in Washington this morning with more on the specifics of each. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Teo. So the federal government is giving each household 4 at-home rapid tests, but you have to sign up online first. And soon, free N95 masks will be available at pharmacies and health centers. As he prepares to mark 1 year in office, President Biden is focusing on testing and masking. The federal government is giving away free COVID tests. All you have to do is go to covidtests.gov, click order, and fill out your name and address on the U.S. Postal Service page.
Every website launch, in our view, comes with risk. We can't guarantee there won't be a bug or two, but the best tech teams across the administration and the Postal Service are working hard to make this a success.
The Biden administration is also preparing to give away high-quality masks. A White House official says 400 million N95 masks from the Strategic National Stockpile will be available for free at pharmacies and community health centers nationwide starting next month.
Nobody is taking their foot off the accelerator until we are done with this pandemic, until we have a clear pathway forward.
And those free COVID tests will ship 7 to 12 days after you place the order online. Live in Washington, Aixa Diaz, KCRA 3 News.
All right, good to know. Thank you, Aixa. Here's a closer look at the COVID numbers in our state. The latest data from state public health shows more than 76,000 new cases were reported Monday. It's a 1% increase from the previous day. A positivity rate is more than 21%. Statewide, more than 14,000 people are currently in the hospital with COVID. You can see the sharp increase there over the past couple of weeks. This includes patients who are in the hospital for other reasons and tested positive with routine testing. The CDC counts those as COVID hospitalizations in part because those patients still require special COVID protocols and care. UC Davis Medical Center reporting its highest number of COVID hospitalizations now. There are currently 126 COVID patients getting treatment there. That is compared to January 1st when there were 37. The new number surpasses last week's peak of 125 COVID patients. Well, California working with more than 100 hospitals across the state to help with a surge of COVID patients. In Placerville, Marshall Medical Center there is taking steps to become a surge hospital for the state. Next week, California is expected to deploy up to 40 additional medical staff in that location. Also, 8 to 10 beds in the birth center will be made available for non-COVID patients, and a total of 45 additional beds will be open this month. Non-COVID patients will be moved to the hospital's north wing to keep all COVID patients centralized in the main building.
People are just tired, and so we're really looking forward to some respite and getting some additional hands on board.
A Marshall Medical Center CEO says 80% of COVID patients admitted since last May were unvaccinated or not fully vaccinated. Kaiser Permanente South Sacramento is also getting help from the state. 2 buildings have been set up with 56 additional beds, and more staff arrived last week. The beds are for non-COVID patients needing acute care. Meantime, Kaiser is informing nearly 4,000 people that they received the wrong COVID vaccine dose. It happened at Kaiser's Med Center in Walnut Creek between October 25th and December 10th of last year. The hospital says a miscommunication with staff led to people getting a slightly smaller dose of the Pfizer vaccine. Medical officials say those who got the smaller dose should still be protected, but the hospital is offering to re-administer the vaccine to anybody who wants one. Let's take a look at the vaccination progress across California. 72.2% of eligible Californians are fully vaccinated. That accounts for about 27.2 million people. Another 3.2 million are partially vaccinated, with 11.8 million people having gotten their booster shot. The state is currently giving out, on average, 159,000 doses per day.